Ouch! Ouch! Sunburn got you down? We've all been there. That moment you step inside after a fun day in the sun, only to realize you forgot to reapply sunscreen. Now you're dealing with the fiery sting and redness of a sunburn. But fear not, sunburnt warriors. Today, we're diving into a surprising sunburn soother. Vinegar.
We all know the drill. A beautiful sunny day beckons, perfect for hitting the beach, the park, or just hanging out in the backyard. We bask in the sun's warmth, feeling happy and carefree. But sometimes we get a little too carefree. We underestimate the sun's power, and before we know it, we're dealing with the aftermath, a sunburn.
Sunburns are no joke. They're not just uncomfortable, they're also a sign of sun damage. The sun's ultraviolet UV rays penetrate our skin, causing inflammation and irritation. In severe cases, sunburns can even lead to blistering and peeling.
So, when that sunburn strikes, we scramble for relief. There are tons of lotions and potions out there, but have you ever considered a kitchen staple, vinegar? Yes, you heard that right. Vinegar, that tangy liquid we use for salad dressings and pickling, might also hold the key to soothing your sunburnt woes.
Hold on, vinegar on sunburn? It might sound strange, but there's some science behind it. Sunburns disrupt your skin's natural pH balance, making it more acidic. Here's where the hero, vinegar, steps in. Apple cider vinegar, in particular, contains malic and acetic acid. These acids might help neutralize the sunburn's acidity and bring your skin's pH back to a healthy level.
But that's not all. Vinegar also has potential anti-inflammatory properties. This means it might help reduce swelling and the discomfort associated with sunburn. Additionally, some believe vinegar can help draw out free radicals, those harmful molecules produced by sun damage.
Now, before you grab that bottle of vinegar and drench yourself, there are a few crucial things to remember. First, dilution is key. Straight vinegar is acidic and can irritate your already sunburnt skin. Always dilute your vinegar with cool water, following a ratio of 2 parts vinegar to 1 part water. Second, vinegar isn't a miracle cure. While it might offer some relief, it's not a substitute for proper sun protection. Always wear sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher and reapply throughout the day, especially after swimming or sweating. Third, if your sunburn is severe, with blistering or accompanied by fever or chills, see a doctor immediately. Vinegar is for mild to moderate sunburn.
All right, so you're ready to try the vinegar treatment? Here's what you'll need. Apple cider vinegar, cool water, clean washcloths or towels. Spray bottle optional. First, grab a bowl and mix your diluted vinegar solution. 2 parts vinegar, 1 part cool water. Dip a clean washcloth into the solution, wring it out so it's damp but not dripping, and gently apply it to the sunburned area. Let the compress sit for 15 minutes. For a more targeted approach, you can use a spray bottle filled with the diluted vinegar solution. Mist the affected area throughout the day for continuous cooling relief.
Another option is a vinegar bath. Run a lukewarm bath, not hot, as that can further irritate your skin. Add about 2 cups of apple cider vinegar to the bath water and soak for 15-20 minutes. This can be a great way to soothe larger areas of sunburn.
While apple cider vinegar is the go-to for sunburn relief, other types of vinegar might work in a pinch. If you don't have apple cider vinegar handy, white vinegar could be a substitute, though it may not have the same potential benefits.
After your vinegar treatment, your skin may feel dry. Follow up by applying a generous amount of moisturizing lotion, preferably one with aloe vera or coconut oil. Aloe vera is a natural sunburn soother, while coconut oil helps lock in moisture and promote healing.
Even with the vinegar treatment, some peeling or flaking might still occur as your skin heals. Resist the urge to pick. Peeling skin prematurely can lead to further irritation and scarring. Let the skin peel naturally and continue moisturizing.
Don't just take my word for it. There are plenty of people who swear by using vinegar for sunburn relief. Remember, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person might not work for another. If you find vinegar irritates your sunburn, skip it. There are lots of other remedies available.
So, is vinegar a sunburn savior? While there's limited scientific research to definitively prove its effectiveness, generations have used it, finding comfort and relief. If you have a mild to moderate sunburn and want to try something a little unconventional, a carefully applied vinegar treatment could be just what your skin needs. Just remember, dilution is key and prioritize protecting yourself from future burns.
Have you ever tried vinegar for sunburn? Did it work for you? Let me know in the comments below. Share your sunburn remedies and help out your fellow sun-sensitive folks. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more dye health and wellness tips.
Thanks for watching. Let's make sure those sunburns stay far and few between. Remember, wear your sunscreen, seek shade when the sun gets intense, and rock those stylish hats and sunglasses. Until next time, happy, sun-filled adventures.